Welcome back to 20 Car. What does it mean to own the road? Not with noise, nor with brute aggression, but with poised confidence wrapped in silk and steel. The 2026 Cadillac CTS Unofficial Concept arrives not as a mere successor to its lineage, but as a rebirth of American ambition cloaked in futuristic elegance. It is not a car, it is a rolling declaration of independence from mediocrity, a modern sculpture in motion, designed to restore America's dominance in the world of performance luxury sedans. The CTS has long represented Cadillac's effort to blend European refinement with Detroit power. But this new conceptual iteration transcends its past. The 2026 model channels emotional storytelling into its curves, technology into its instincts, and philosophy into its engineering. This is not merely innovation, it is renaissance. Exterior Design Review, where strength meets poetry. The exterior design of the 2026 Cadillac CTS Concept feels as though it were forged in a wind tunnel and polished by light itself. The bold front fascia evokes the presence of a prowling beast, muscular yet graceful. The grille has evolved into a frameless digital lit shield, subtly illuminated with an LED-embedded Cadillac crest that breathes softly as the car approaches. LED blade headlights slash through the darkness, while an ultra-low beltline and fastback silhouette create the illusion of constant velocity, even when parked. Sharp creases along the hood and side profile give the impression of folded origami, striking a balance between aerodynamic performance and sculptural artistry. At the rear, an aerodynamically integrated tail fin tribute reminds us of Cadillac's golden age heritage, now reborn through digital OLED taillights that pulse with life during braking. Its body is painted in lunar ember, a molten gray that absorbs sunlight and glows subtly at night. Even the 21-inch turbine-forged wheels have purpose, they funnel air for brake cooling and increase high-speed stability. This CTS doesn't just move forward. It slices through the air like a poetic blade. Interior Design Review, the lounge of tomorrow. Step inside the CTS Concept, and you leave behind traffic, deadlines, and noise. You are embraced by an interior so quiet, so deliberate, it feels like a cathedral of concentration. Cadillac has stripped away excess but layered in meaning. The dashboard is a wraparound monolith, built from carbon silk composite, adorned with floating OLED screens that contour seamlessly from driver to passenger. The main display features augmented reality projection and multi-layer depth visualization. Gesture and voice commands are processed through Qera, Cadillac's new quantum learning AI, which adapts its personality to your driving habits and vocal tone. Seating is a revelation, zero-pressure anti-fatigue thrones, clad in vegan suede and naturally tanned leather, supported by dynamic spine tracking cushions. Ambient lighting is biologically tuned, adjusting hue and intensity to match circadian rhythms. There's no start button. The car recognizes your presence through bio-authentication and awakens with a heartbeat-like interior glow. This is more than comfort. It's an extension of your emotional well-being. Technical Specifications Review, engineering that listens to the soul. Powering the 2026 CTS Concept is a 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid system, enhanced with dual E-motors, one per axle, for EAWD precision. Total output is an exhilarating 582 horsepower and 710 Newton-meters of torque, delivered via a 9-speed electronically controlled auto dual transmission. It rides on the Ether Frame Adaptive Chassis, a new modular architecture co-developed with aerospace engineers. This platform incorporates magnetic damping, active air suspension, and a torque vectoring rear axle, all governed by predictive AI algorithms that pre-adjust based on weather, terrain, and even your mood, measured via biometric input. The powertrain is designed to be versatile, offering EV-only drive, hybrid performance, and even a track mode that tightens everything down for raw precision. This car doesn't just obey commands. It feels what you want before you speak it. Fuel consumption in city and highway. Despite its brawn, the CTS Concept boasts impressive fuel intelligence. City, 8.9 liters 100 kilometers. Highway, 6.1 liters 100 kilometers. Electric-only range, up to 85 kilometers. Cadillac engineers introduced thermal energy harvesting, converting cabin and brake heat into usable battery energy, yet another first in this segment. 0 to 100 km height acceleration review. A calculated storm. This CTS goes from 0 to 100 km height in just 3.8 seconds, thanks to its instantaneous electric torque and turbo-boosted internal combustion collaboration. The torque delivery is linear and addictively smooth, with a launch control system dubbed Apollo Surge that simulates a G-force-tuned moonshot experience. Acceleration isn't just fast, it's orchestrated. Buyer age range analysis. The 2026 CTS concept is no longer confined to executive car demographics. Cadillac aims for a psychographic approach over a strictly demographic one. Still, likely buyers include 35, 55-year-old entrepreneurs and creatives seeking distinctive, luxury performance. Modern executives favoring sustainability paired with prestige. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciating American craftsmanship. This CTS is designed to feel younger without chasing youth, a true sign of maturity. Comparison with competitors and other cars. Model power, HP, 0, 100 km height base price edge. 2026 Cadillac CTS Concept 582 3.8S $78,000 AI-assisted hybrid luxury performance. BMW M550EX drive hybrid 523 4.1S $84,000 German finesse, but less interior flair. Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG 53 equation 585 3.7S $90,000 tech-rich, lacks CTS's artistic design. Audi A6 e-tron Concept 469 4.5S $75,000 EV Focus, less dynamic in handling. Car price evaluation. Projected base price, $78,000 US. Fully loaded presidential edition, $94,500 US. When considering the combination of AI, hybrid power, handcrafted design, and rare tech, the value is phenomenal. It's a luxury bargain cloaked in bespoke leather. Driving experience. Driving the CTS concept feels like piloting a private jet on pavement. Whether you're cruising downtown, taking a mountain pass, or launching off the line, it adapts seamlessly. The steering is quick and reactive, yet never twitchy. The ride? Absurdly composed, like the road has been pre-swept and softened. Each corner feels like it's rehearsed for a Broadway debut. 3 drive modes, Serenity, Velocity, and Ascension, offer distinct personality shifts, not just mechanical changes. In Serenity, it's a whisper. In Velocity, it's a storm. In Ascension, it's beyond. Pros and cons analysis. Pros. Exquisite exterior and interior artistry. Hybrid power with electric efficiency. Best-in-class cabin technology and comfort. Revolutionary AI driving adaptation. Iconic American heritage with global appeal. Cons. Not a full EV, may deter eco-purists. Limited rear visibility due to fastback design. Advanced tech may intimidate traditionalists. Car purchase value assessment. The 2026 CTS concept offers more than transport, it offers identity. It's a rolling declaration of American ingenuity and creativity. Buyers will see long-term value in its future-ready platform, while the limited production and bespoke materials enhance resale potential. You don't just purchase this car. You curate it. After-sales service evaluation. Cadillac's Beyond Black service plan includes 10 years complimentary software updates, lifetime AI learning sync across multiple vehicles, in-home valet pickup for servicing, digital twin diagnostics via app. Owners also get invites to Cadillac Studio salons, where future features are previewed and customized upgrades are offered ahead of public release. Maintenance cost review. Being a hybrid luxury concept, maintenance costs are surprisingly accessible. Estimated annual cost, $1,600, $2,800. Cadillac guarantees zero-cost drivetrain service for the first 5 years. AI diagnostics reduce unnecessary repairs by 35%. Parts are modular and serviceable without full teardown, unlike many European counterparts. Car insurance cost analysis. Car insurance cost analysis. With advanced theft prevention, driver assist, and impact-absorbing architecture, insurance premiums are relatively contained. Estimated annual premium, USA, $2,400, $3,800. Discounts apply for AI risk mitigation and biometric driver profiles. Cadillac's own Shield program offers extended coverage with roadside concierge. Conclusion: a revolutionary ode to American prestige. The 2026 Cadillac CTS Unofficial Concept isn't just a car, it's a Renaissance sculpture on wheels. With every heartbeat of its hybrid engine, it proclaims that American innovation, style, and performance are not only alive, but thriving with purpose. It does not chase German or Japanese luxury, it defines its own language. A language that speaks of grace under pressure, of design fused with emotion, of power clothed in poetry. This is the CTS reimagined. Not a sedan. Not a statement. But a story yet to be finished, by you, the driver.